Hey guys, it's Googie again, and I'm back after a pretty unexpected departure from everything. So yeah, I'll talk about that later when I'm probably doing another motovlog. But for now, I've got this time a unboxing video. I know, okay? I know you guys are waiting for the Resurrection Remix ROM review. I know that. I'll be doing that soon enough. But when I was away, I got a package in the mail, and I want to give that to you guys. Here is the package. It's a big ass package, so let's just say that. So let's get to unboxing then. So guys, let's open this up. In the meantime, I'll talk to you guys about what this is. It's a microphone, okay? If you saw the title, you know that it's a microphone. You probably have seen people streaming online, playing video games and all that, with a microphone on their desk. And this is that sort of a microphone, which, well, it's mostly an essential for that. Let's get started. This is a studio microphone set from Maono. Now, full disclosure, Maono has actually sent this to me in hopes of getting a review out of it. I will be doing a review for it. So, it is this direction. It's a polar pattern microphone with all these contents. It includes the arm, it includes the suspension, it includes the pop filter, it includes the desk mount. It has everything included, and it is a USB connector. So there are two models. One is this one, which is the 04. Yes, you can see it is AU04, which has the USB connection, and it also has a 03, which is a 3.5mm connection. So I'm planning to do both of them. We'll see what it goes. So let's open this up and see what it has. Opening it up, there is the Maono logo and all that. Yeah, this happened sometime in between. Nicely packaged. You don't need to worry too much into it. So here's a quick user manual on what is available. So it shows you the specification. So that is the dual 16mm condenser, cardioid microphone, polar pattern. Here it is. All of that is available. Frequency response scale is available if you want to go into that. So all of this is available, and yeah. Here you have it. It is mainly driverless for Windows because Windows can't do that. Here is the pop filter, which includes, there is another pop filter for the microphone itself, which is cool, I guess. Here is a pop filter for the other stuff with the mounting mechanism, which will work pretty well. Okay, there is a mount, or there is a threaded thing here, which I have to check what it is. Not really sure what it's supposed to do, but we'll figure it out. So there is a USB connection. It uses the B-mail to USB me mail. So yeah, this is the connection to the microphone. This is the connection to your laptop, computer, or audio processor, or anything like that. I personally would like to have a 3.5mm one because I use a audio recorder, which I have on the side. I probably am gonna opt for that if I want to buy this for myself. But with USB, you have more versatility where you can use stuff and all that. So here is the suspension mechanism for the same microphone. Here is the dust mount for the microphone, which is also pretty cool. It should work really well. So you do have the hole for the suspension arm, and then for the desk itself should work. Here is the microphone itself, which is a condenser style microphone, as we saw in the thing. It is a condenser microphone. So here is the input for that. Should work pretty well. I do need to check that out for myself, how well and how it's going to work out for me. I will be doing that. I'll be checking it out soon enough. And we have the arm itself, which is also pretty neatly tucked in. So we have the arm. Here is what goes into the base of it. Here is probably going to be the mounting mechanism for the suspender. So yeah, that should be it. So here is the suspender, which will go here. And let's just open it up and just get it connected. This is the first time I'm actually using something like this. Before this, I didn't have anything of this sort for me, so this is kind of a new experience for me. Okay, so this thing is supposed to go in here for me to screw it up in here. So yeah, that makes sense. That actually does make a lot of sense. So that is basically what it is supposed to be. Let me see if it's available in the yeah, you probably can see a little bit of yellow color there. So that's this guy inside of that thing, so that I can screw it in. Cool, that's pretty cool. So guys, I have just attached a few things here and just see how it works, and it's actually pretty straightforward. You just have to attach the suspender to this thing using the additional coupling which is available, and use this thing to just tighten it up, and well, it's working. It's pretty cool. Now all I have to do is basically test this entire contraption and see how it will work. And well, yeah, I'll just have to see how it works. So there you have it, guys. That is the unboxing of this beautiful studio microphone set from Maono. Big thanks to Maono for this sample. I will be trying it out and will be making a review soon enough. I'm actually also trying to get the 03 version, which is the 3.5mm jack version instead of the USB, to make a comparison on both of them if it actually makes any sense to have a audio recorder if you already have something like a live microphone, because this is not a portable stuff. This is mounted. If you are using this for portable stuff, I mean, you need to reevaluate what you're doing. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.